fall down, clean up the place all around. Welcome to live well. Welcome to live well. Oh, your food natural.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel guys, welcome back. In this episode guys, I'm just going to give you guys a quick close-up of the corn guys, because that's about the only one we haven't shown yet. So I'm just going to take us closely, see their progress, see how they're doing guys, yeah? So let's do that. Yes gardeners, how we doing? Close-up of the corn. We're starting to see the male flowers coming up now guys, so it's not long before we start to see our corn coming through guys. As you know, these guys have been here for about 2 months now. So it's not long now before, we have our corn guys. Because like I said, these guys take about 2.5 to 3 months. So it's not long to wait now, guys. Doing really well, guys. As you know, the male flower guys will show first before you see, your tassels coming up from your corn. Nature is amazing guys, you know what I'm saying? Now we got some trees here that's been here a little bit longer. Like if I didn't get hit by the frost, this would have been the stage that my corn would have been in now. You can see these guys here, got their tassels. And normally at this stage now, I'll be shaking like this. See the pollen falling down guys. But I suppose this lower guy here was just waiting for this tassel to open up, and as you can see, if you shake you can probably see some dust, and that will pollinate that corn down here guys. You know what I mean? We're doing good guys. I don't know, this was one of the first crops we did grow, but we did get hit by frost, and the frost did come and decimate everything apart from that first one I showed you there, and maybe this one here I believe. But guys, you know how it works, your tassels, there's your crown on top here, which will have your pollen. Yes guys, so I was saying, there's the crown guys. And as you know, your crown will contain your pollen. And your pollen will then, fall down, blow, drift down, whichever you want to see it, onto your tassels. And each of these hairs, individual hair, will be your corn. So what you're hoping is that the pollen will fall down onto the tassel, guys, and pollinate your corn, guys, What can we say, guys? So that's how, the process works. And as you know, the corn is one of those plants as well that's also a male as well, you guys, as a female. So it doesn't need, the plant by itself can pollinate its own self, guys. So, nature works in an amazing way. And one seed, which will give you a tree, which will give you 2 hobs. And guys, you could probably feed a nation after that, if you understand what I'm saying. But yeah guys, the corns are doing well. Probably the next video I do on them is when I'm maybe harvesting, unless we're doing a quick, so we just nearly fell over our fence here, unless we're just doing just a quick tour, so on and so forth, just to show you guys their progress. But today's video was just more to concentrate on the corn, show you guys how they're doing. Oh, and as well, I'm super happy guys to show you that we have got melons coming. If I can get out of the shadow, got melons guys, as you can see here. Got another little baby one under here. I believe these guys will grow up to be like the yellow looking melons. But I've also got cantaloupes, mixed up in here guys. So, I'm super happy, how the progress is going with the melons guys. But yeah, I just wanted to really show you our first melon that's coming up. Super happy about that. And yeah, our corn doing good guys. So on that note, let's live well guys, and together we grow. Yeah.